Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to fade a video in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I have one clip right here and the next right there. What you want to do is go over to Effects, go to Video Transitions and use the cross dissolve. Drag it to the beginning of the clip if you want to fade the beginning, or the end of your clip if you want to fade the end. Just put it to the beginning, just like this. To adjust the length of the effect, you can just drag it around, for example like this, and while having the fade selected, you can under Inspector, Transition, here adjust, for example, the style, the start ratio and the end ratio. You can just play around with it. Now if you want the fade to be between two clips, what you want to do is drag the two clips together and then drag the cross dissolve effect into the middle of the both effects. You can, for example, adjust the length again. And now this is our final end result. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to fade a video in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.